Hey there, welcome to this channel. As you can tell from the orientation of this video, I was not even supposed to be posting it. A friend and a subscriber convinced me to. They said they like hair transformation videos, and so do I. So I decided, why not put it up for that one person, those two people who would be interested to see. I had for Locs for like close to 7 weeks, and I just undid them yesterday. Today is 17th of May. I'm not sure when you're going to be watching this video, so it had lots of build up, and I decided to document or just film the changes from one step to another after I undid them, after I washed them, and so on. So I just did a short video, and I hope you will like the transformation from this to this. Hi there, wanna try out to use bicarbonate on my hair because it has so much build up. Oh yeah, I'm using it without apple cider. I want to see if it doesn't work, then I use apple cider vinegar. Let's see how it works first, and then I'll give you the results. Oh, like I didn't wash my hair before using the baking soda, so this is how it looks. Just kind of finished the build up kidogo, so I want to go and wash it now, like seriously, and then see how it looks. So I'm done showering and washing the hair. So it looks like I don't want to remove it, like the whole of it, especially the back, because I want it to like dry up fast. I'm using a t-shirt to dry my hair, and if you have dreads, you know that dreads take such a long time to dry, so I have to wait for it to dry, because I also don't want to go to the salon. It's just too much work, and either way I'm going nowhere, so I'm just going to let it dry, then I'll go in with let me show you. So I am that person who like does very little with their hair. I don't have like a routine or anything, I just do the least. So after it has dried, I will use this coconut oil. I just go in with it and then let it shine. That is my hair, and that is my growth. This is just coconut oil I put in this moisture spray bottle. So I'm just done oiling it.